Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to welcome you back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy oven roasted chicken thighs and vegetables recipe. To see more of how I make this recipe, just keep watching. So to get started, I've got my chicken ready. It's already washed and cleaned up. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to go in with my kitchen shears and just trim the extra fat off my chicken thighs, and then I'm going to show you guys the next step in this recipe. So to make this chicken thighs recipe, we're going to add our all-purpose seasoning to add lots of flavor. We're going to go in with garlic powder, onion powder, my favorite Old Bay seasoning. We're going to add sea salt and smoked paprika. So those are all the ingredients which you need to make this recipe. We're going to add all of our ingredients into a small size bowl, just like that. We're going to mix the combined ingredients, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the bowl. Mix very well. We're going to coat our chicken thighs into this flavorful seasoning. Okay guys, so you can taste test your seasoning to make sure it's good to go. Make sure it's, the taste is good. All right, so that's a tip right there for you guys. So off camera, I just went ahead and added some more seasoning to my bowl. I also went ahead and added about a teaspoon more of oil. Okay, and that's what it looks like. It's a little bit watery, so you just want to, add a little bit more of your favorite seasoning if you like. Then you want to mix it very well. And that's what the seasoning looks like, guys. It smells really good. We're going to season our chicken thighs. These beautiful chicken thighs, we're going to season them so nicely. Make sure they're fully coated. Go underneath the skin and add the seasoning as well for that maximum flavor. Okay. So if you guys hear any background noise today, excuse that because it's a bit loud in my house, guys. It's the weekend. Okay, so it's a bit loud. So just excuse the noise. Okay, so you just want to continue to season these beautiful chicken thighs just like that. Once the chicken thighs are fully seasoned, we are going to get our fresh veggies ready. So for this recipe, I am using celery, fresh carrots, fresh pepper. I'm using some nice potato. So you can use whatever vegetables that you like for this recipe. You can also use string beans, you can use broccoli, whatever you like. Okay, and this is a one pan meal recipe. It's a quick and tasty recipe, and the cleanup process for this recipe, guys, is super easy. Okay, so once our chicken thighs are fully seasoned, that's what it looks like. It looks so beautiful. I love the color of these chicken thighs. Okay, and if you flip it over to the opposite side, you're going to see that it's fully seasoned on the inside as well. It's going to add that maximum flavor. Now we're going to go ahead and set the chicken thighs to the side. We're going to get the veggies ready. So we're going to add all of the seasoning that we added to the chicken onto the veggies. Okay, so all these vegetables are already washed off camera. That's what it looks like. These vegetables look so beautiful, guys. I am also using some yellow pepper and red pepper. So you just want to go ahead and add the seasoning onto your veggies just like that. And then you just want to, just massage the vegetables. Make sure the vegetables are fully coated into the seasoning. It's going to give so much flavor to these veggies. And that's what your veggies should look like. It looks pretty good. We're going to remove the pepper from the bowl. We're going to set the pepper to the side. We don't want our pepper to get very soft. So, you can even take the celery out. So the potatoes and the carrot takes a little bit longer to cook. So now I am going to go ahead and place these beautiful vegetables onto my baking tray. So I'm going to add my potatoes. I'm going to add the celery as well, and I'm going to add my carrots. I will go in and add my fresh peppers later. And that's what it looks like. After adding all the veggies to the bowl, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. So you want to make sure you add your vegetables on the side. Make sure the chicken thighs are on the baking tray. You know, make sure the chicken thighs are not sitting on the vegetables. Okay, and then just place your vegetables alongside the chicken thighs. And I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice onto my chicken. This is optional. Then I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of seasoning onto the chicken as well. Now our chicken and veggies are looking so good. It smells so beautiful, guys. I wish you guys could smell this from through the camera. We're going to set this to bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then I'm going to show you guys the results of this easy, tasty, oven baked chicken thighs and vegetables recipe. So you just want to add your butter onto the veggies just like that. It's going to help your veggies to stay nice and moist while it's baked in the oven. While it's baking, after 20 minutes of baking, this is what our chicken thighs looks like, guys. It smells really good. It looks so beautiful. The veggies are looking nice. We're not going to let the veggies cook too much. We're going to keep the veggies nice and crunchy. That's how I like my veggies. That's what it looks like after about 30 minutes. I'm just going to scoop some of the juice out. I'm going to add it to my nice chicken. And then I'm going to show you guys the results of this easy, tasty, oven baked chicken thighs and roasted vegetable recipe. So after baking, guys, the chicken thighs, this is what the results looks like. It looks super beautiful. The chicken thighs are fully baked, nice and juicy. The veggies are crunchy, just the way I like them. And the smell is amazing. Even the peppers look so beautiful. It's also nice and crunchy. The potatoes, the celery, the carrots. This recipe came out so good. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Take care. Bye.